Homemade eggnog is a delicious treat for the holiday season. We're gonna start off by separating the egg yolk from your eggs, and the easiest way to do it is by using your hands. And just place the yolk over here. You're gonna add half a cup of granulated sugar, and now you're gonna whisk them all together. We're gonna put 2 cups of milk in a pot. We're gonna put 1 cup of whipped cream, a pinch of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, a few cloves. Bring everything to a gentle boil and make sure you keep mixing it. Now you're gonna add the warm milk to your custard, nice and slowly so you don't burn the eggs. Place your mixture back into the pot. Make sure to keep stirring to make sure it doesn't burn on the bottom of the pot. Cook your mixture on low heat till it begins to thicken. Once your mixture hits about 160 degrees, your eggnog is almost ready. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Put a 1/4 cup of brandy or whiskey, but I personally like to use vodka. Pass your mixture through a sieve to give it a more smooth consistency. Make sure you cool it off in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Let's give it a go. It tastes like the holiday season. If you enjoyed this recipe, please check out these other great videos and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Hey, it's the holidays. Give it a like. It's a friendly present and it won't cost you anything.